Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel Lyft ride. If you want to cancel an already scheduled Lyft ride on your Lyft application, then the process is quite easy. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open the Lyft application from your app drawer. Once you're inside the main homepage of Lyft application, if you've previously scheduled a ride, you will be able to see a calendar-like icon at the top right-hand corner. Look for the calendar icon at the top right-hand corner, as you can see it on the screen at the top right, and simply tap on it. Once you select the option, you will then be able to see all of the scheduled ride on the list. To cancel a ride, click on the Cancel Ride option. Confirm by tapping the Cancel button once again on the next page, and you will then be able to cancel a Lyft ride. So that is how it's easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.